Hi everyone. Well, today is Tuesday and it is my check-in weigh-in day at Weight Watchers. I'm in the car. I'm just leaving. So I am very excited because I kind of knew from last week I had a 6-ounce weight gain last week. I knew this week that, you know, if I stayed true to the program that I was going to have a good weight loss. So I lost 4 pounds, which is really good. So that's kind of over that 2-week period. And my total weight loss is 14 pounds since I started. And I earned my first 10-pound little charm. And so I'm very happy with my progress, very happy. It was a good week this week. I made a couple of different type meals that I did, and I'm going to share a couple of the meals that I made and some of the food that I prepared for myself and ate. And one of the items that I will tell you that I did was I bought this seasoning. It's called Greek Freak, and I got it on Amazon, and it is just the best blend of dry herbs. And I marinated some chicken breast in Olive Garden light Italian dressing, and then I had sprinkled this Greek Freak dry seasoning on it, and then I grilled the chicken breast, and it was delicious. I sliced it up, I had it on salads, I had it in wraps. It was just so tasty. So I am going to go ahead at this point and I will insert some of the food that I ate and prepared, and I'll see you next Tuesday. So I'm very happy because I just feel like I have a really good start. It's a great program. I really can say that I don't find myself feeling hungry. So I'm trying to follow it like pretty much to a T, and really trying to practice making sure that I eat regularly, and when I am hungry, just go ahead and grab something, fruit or vegetable, that I know is 0 points. So today I'm going to be cooking some spaghetti sauce, and then I'm going to do a crock pot spaghetti meal that I will freeze part of and then have for tonight. I'm going to be making stuffed peppers with turkey meat, and I'm also making spaghetti squash in my Instant Pot, which is it doesn't get any easier. You take your spaghetti squash, you stick it in the Instant Pot, you add a cup of water, you turn it on, 23 minutes, it's done. It's delicious. And then I just scrape it out, and sometimes I put, like chicken on it. Sometimes I just eat it plain. It's just really good, and it's filling. So until next week, down 14. That's a good week. Good morning, guys. I'm doing some breakfast meal prep, and I'm just going to go ahead and do 3 because I have my jars that I have the lids for. And in here is 1/3 cup of steel-cut oats, 1/2 cup of almond milk, and it's the 30 calories unsweetened. At the bottom I have 1/2 banana cut up. Same for this jar, and in this jar the only difference is I've added blueberries to the bottom. So I'm going to give them a quick stir. I also added about 1.5 tablespoons of this PB2 powdered peanut butter. I mean, come on, it's not real peanut butter, but it gives you the peanut buttery taste, and it does the trick. And then I'll put the lids on these, stir them up, put the lids on them, put them in the fridge for overnight, and I'll probably add a little more fruit to the top, and These will be worth, let's see, 1/3 of a cup of the steel cut oats was 3 points. And it was literally no points for 1/2 a cup of the almond milk. And it was 1 point for the up to 2 tablespoons of the peanut butter. So total breakfast would be 4 points. And I've made these before in the past. I love them. They're good. And I did add just a splash of vanilla for a little flavoring. If it's not sweet enough for you, you can add some stevia. Okay, guys, this is my overnight oats. Here I have my old-fashioned oats, bananas, a tablespoon and a half of powdered peanut butter, and I let it set overnight with some raspberries in it. And then this morning I heated it up for about 40 seconds in the microwave just to take the chill off. Added some zero fat Greek yogurt, and let me tell you, it is so creamy and yummy and delicious. I think you'll like it. And it is a total of, I'm going to double check, but I believe this one is a total of 4 points. Yep, I'm pretty sure it's 4 points. And here is just a sample of my brunch. I made it and froze it. It's the Thomas Light English muffins with Canadian bacon and an egg, and I froze that, and then I had banana and cucumber. And this is one of my pre-made salads. As you can see, I have chopped up carrots and mushrooms, and that's what I do ahead of time to get my vegetables all chopped up and used, and then I stick them in the salads, and then my salad is ready to go. And when I'm home for lunch or in a quick hurry, it's great. And here I have some of Dave's grain bread that I used my points for, and I have a great butterball turkey burger with a pickle and some corn. It was so good, and just look at the size of that turkey burger. It was so delicious and juicy. It was 5 points, and then for the bread it was 2 points. So my entire meal ended up being 7 points, which is really good, and it was so flavorful. I added lettuce and tomatoes, and oh, it was just so good. So I am down actually 13 pounds, not 14. Thanks for stopping by.